Hello, welcome back. On this lesson, we are going to see how can we ask for the client certificate in order to verify the identity of the client that is performing the request. Okay, so before we had checked the server identity, and now you're going to actually ask for the client identity, and this way you can establish a mutual TLS. The normal TLS that you see in the internet when you're accessing a website, it is just a TLS, one-way TLS. When you do this check, both checks, we are establishing a mutual TLS. Okay, so yeah, let's dive into the Nginx configuration. So I have just added this other Nginx parameters, and we are giving now the certificate authority, and this should be used to verify the client request. And here we are saying that you're going to verify the client, and here we are saying that you're going to check on the depth of 2, which is the service and the authority, and the intermediary authority. Let's start it and see how it goes. Here we started, and we trying to perform the same request we had before inside Docker. I'm here on the authentication out and service, and then I'm going to trying to establish a request as we had before, and now we are saying that this Nginx is returning 400. No required SSL certificate was sent. It's now saying that the SSL certificate is required and it was not sent. So how do we send this certificate? It is actually passing the 2 parameter for the curl command. And this will be the cert, where you pass the certificate itself, and you have to pass the private key of the certificate so you can prove that we are the server, or you have the real certificate. And now we try it, and then success. So the response from a security service. So we were able to actually look at the certificate that was sent in the request and validate it with our local CA, not from here, but from the CA that you have added on our Nginx sidecar in here. Okay, so that I think cover the mutual TLS check. So here we are basically identifying the identity of the client. Okay, so see you next lecture.